And this also is the 13 by 13 by 13. So it's 13 in the height, 13 in the width, and 13 in the width. If I said that right, wait. 13 in the length, 13 in the height. Wait. Okay. 13 in the height, 13 in the width, and 13 in the length, width, and height. Hey guys, welcome to Lichamae Homemade. Okay, so as you can see, I am in the closet. I'm in my daughter's closet currently because we decided that we need a different organizational system to going on. We need a lot of work. My children are still very young, so they don't really know how to fold or keep their closet as tidy as I would like for them to keep it. So I decided to go take a trip to Target, and my children went along with me, and we all agreed on some storage bins to kind of help the organization in their closets. So I'm going to do like a little haul first, and then we're going to get to cleaning up the closet. So first, what we found in Target were these cute pink bins, storage bins. It's made out of cardboard, and it says you can wipe clean with a dry towel. Hopefully it doesn't get too dirty. It's going to be in her closet. It is a 10.5 by 10.5 length, width, and the height is 11 inches. So I'm hoping that we are able to put her clothes in here, like her shirts, her tights, shorts, things of that nature. So we got 3 of these. Okay. Then we got another storage bin. I thought these were so cute, and she also liked the polka dots. It went good with the other pink smaller storage bins. Now this storage bin is from Pillow Fort. It's bigger than the first one that I showed you. This one is oh, okay, it's 13 by 13 by 13. So 13 in the height, 13 in the width, and 13 in the width. So I think this will be good for her pajamas, bigger clothes items, things of that nature. So we're going to use this, and I purchased 3 of these storage bins. 3 of these storage bins. So I'm hoping, I wanted to buy something that if we needed to go back, that we would be able to go back and find these same things. These are really hot right now. They have a lot of these in Target, and also the smaller pink, lighter pink storage bins. They have a lot of those. I think they always have those. So then we also purchased this big storage bin. And I'm gonna show you guys how much everything were. The small storage bins were like $4 a piece. The bigger ones were $8 a piece. And this big storage bin, which I had a great idea of putting all of her shoes in, because I mean, she does clean her shoes up very well, but it hardly stays that way. So this is a bigger storage bin, and I thought this would be nice to put her shoes inside of. And it closes like this. So I think this is going to be good for their closets. So with my son's closet, we decided to go with these navy blue storage bins. These are the smaller ones. These are the 10.5 by 10.5, 10.5 in the length, 10.5 in the width, and 11.5 in the height. So we decided to go with this navy blue. He likes green, but they didn't have any green, so we had to get things that matched. I wanted the closet to match. So again, with him, I bought 3 of these smaller basket storage bins. They had these navy blue and white pillow fort storage bins, and this also is a 13 by 13 by 13. So it's 13 in the height, 13 in the width, and 13 in the width. If I said that right, wait. 13 in the height, wait, okay. 13 in the height, 13 in the width, and 13 in the length, width, and height. Anyway, these are 13 by 13 by 13. So we bought 3 of these. Now, this was not our favorite. This is not our first pick, but I wanted everything in the closets to coordinate and match. So we decided to go with the navy blue and white. We also purchased him this big storage bin for his shoes to go into. So I think this is going to be good for them. We're going to see how it goes. He's a little older, so he kind of keeps his closet a little bit neater than my 4-year-old. But I feel like this, they could just throw their shoes in there. We won't have to, I don't want to see it. I just want it in here and put away. So we are going to do my daughter's closet first and clean everything out, get all of the clothes that do not fit her anymore, that she does not wear anymore. We are going to purge both of their closets because all of us have a lot of clothes that we do not use anymore or do not wear anymore. I am constantly going through their things, giving them away to people that I know, giving them away to Goodwill, because you know children are constantly growing all the time. They are constantly growing out of their shoes, out of their clothes. Whatever the case is, we are going to get rid of a lot of things that they do not use. So just stay tuned and watch us clean the closets out.